Alright guys, today I'm back with an unboxing. It is Ghost in the Shell, Arise, Japan import, Funimation's first subtitled only Blu-ray release. But they did say that a dubbed is going to come out soon. I don't know when, but yeah, I got it from Right Stuff. I think there's going to be like maybe four, I believe, 4 episodes or whatever. I'm guessing, I don't know. This is a Japan import. Yep, right there it is. Well, the $12 is a Got Anime membership thing, but yeah, right there. Subtract that, that'd be like $44.99 besides the $12, but yeah. So you got anime thing. Over there, get down to this. Alright. You have the front, and I think that right there is the major. Yeah, this takes place before Ghost in the Shell season 1 and 2. I'm thinking, I don't really know pretty much about this part, but yeah. The major front, spine, Japanese for Ghost in the Shell, I'm guessing. Blu-ray. This is Border Pane 1, other spine. There, right there, 1. Back, which is all Japanese. I'm going to guess, this is my first import, so I'm just going to say gibberish. Let's read that. Let's see, can my camera focus? Yes, it can. Stay Japanese. Border Pane 1. Alright, this is... Then it's plastic wrap. I might save that, I don't know. And it gets stuck. Nice. Alright. And... But there's how much I think it costs. I believe 6,000 yen, I believe. Alright, anyway. Oh god, I really like how they did that with the full thing, but first time ever I've seen a black case for a Blu-ray. Front, spine, back, even though I cannot read that, anybody that likes to translate, feel free. And please leave a comment what it says. Thank you. If you don't mind. There's the disc artwork. Nothing in that. Booklet. That, and that. And right here is, I'm guessing the film strip. Oh yeah, film strip. Yeah, film strip. Well guys, that was my unboxing of Ghost in the Shell Rise. I will be getting the other next volumes when it releases. Like I always say guys, please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.